Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to pay for YouTube TV on your iPhone. Are you ready to cut the cord but still want access to live TV? YouTube TV is a great option, and it's super convenient to manage your subscription right from your iPhone. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure your YouTube TV payments are always up to date. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to FixZone for more tech tips and tutorials.
Alright, let's get started.
There are basically two main ways you'll be paying for YouTube TV on your iPhone. Let's cover them both. Method 1. Using your Apple ID, in-app subscription. This is the most common and easiest method if you signed up for YouTube TV directly through the YouTube TV app on your iPhone. 1. Open the Settings app *, locate the gray gear icon on your home screen and tap to open it. 2. Tap on your Apple ID * at the top of the settings screen, you'll see your name and Apple ID. Tap on that. 3. Select Subscriptions * in the Apple ID menu, scroll down until you see Subscriptions, and tap on it. 4. Find YouTube TV *, a list of your active and expired subscriptions will appear.
Look for YouTube TV.
5. Manage Payment *. Once you've selected YouTube TV, you'll see details about your subscription, including the renewal date and price. To manage your payment, look for Payment Method, or something similar. You can update your credit card or add a new one here. Make sure the information is current and accurate to avoid any interruptions in service. Method 2. Through the YouTube TV website. If you signed up for YouTube TV directly on the YouTube TV website, you'll need to manage your payment there. Open a web browser *, use Safari or your preferred browser on your iPhone. 2. Go to the YouTube TV website *, type tv.youtube.com into the address bar and hit enter. 3. Sign in *, if you're not already signed in, click the sign in button in the top right corner and use the Google account you used to sign up for YouTube TV. 4. Go to Settings *, once logged in, click on your profile picture, usually in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Select Settings. 5. Select Membership * in the Settings menu, click on Membership. 6. Update Payment Information * here, you'll find your current payment method. You can update your credit card information or add a new payment method. Be sure to save any changes you make. Troubleshooting payment issues. Sometimes, even with the correct payment information, you might encounter issues. Here are a few common problems and how to fix them. Insufficient funds *, make sure there's enough money in your account or credit card. Expired card *, update your card's expiration date in the payment settings. Incorrect billing address *, ensure your billing address matches the one on file with your bank. Payment method declined * contact your bank or credit card company to find out why the payment was declined. Sometimes there are fraud alerts or other issues that need to be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pay for YouTube TV on your iPhone. Whether you're managing your subscription through the App Store or directly on the YouTube TV website, keeping your payment information up to date is essential for uninterrupted viewing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.